Failed drugs, a hidden treasure for longevity? Most of the drugs scientists create never make it to market. They fail the big tests and disappear into storage. But what if those drugs weren't really failures? What if we just couldn't measure their benefits or manage their risks? In this video, we'll explore how compounds, once written off, could become tomorrow's longevity therapies when targeted to the people they actually work for. Some of the most powerful treatments for extending health span may already exist. We just haven't unlocked them yet. The high cost of failure. Drug development is brutally expensive. Companies spend billions to move a single compound through years of testing. Along the way, millions of promising molecules are set aside, not because they were proven unsafe, but because the cost of exploring them was too high. And even for the compounds that do reach trials, nearly 90% still fail before approval. Each one is labeled unsafe for the general population, and entire libraries of potential therapies are left in storage. But what if some of these drugs could be safe and effective for certain people, even if not for everyone? Are we throwing away life-saving treatments? One size doesn't fit all. Drugs are tested as if one size fits everyone, but people are not the same. Our genes, diets, and metabolisms are all different. A drug that looks unsafe in a broad population may actually be safe and effective for a smaller group. Some people experience side effects while others see benefits. Without the tools to measure and separate these differences, good drugs are labeled failures. The truth is, what fails for the crowd may succeed for the individual. Personalized safety and efficacy. Information science makes it possible to change the way we do drug testing. What if we could measure every dose and every effect in real time? Imagine testing drugs at microdoses, while sensors track how each person's body responds. Instead of asking if a drug is safe for everyone, we could ask who is it safe for, and at what level. With the right tools, side effects can be managed, benefits revealed, and old or failed drugs repurposed. Personalized testing could turn past failures into tomorrow's longevity breakthroughs. Pharma's new goldmine. Pharma has already invested billions in compounds that never reached approval, but those shelves of so-called failures could be worth far more than we realize. With personalized testing, drugs that were previously discarded could be matched to smaller groups of patients safely and effectively. Repurposing an existing drug costs a fraction of developing a new one, and the revenue potential is enormous. What looked like wasted research could become a new pipeline of therapies and a new engine for longevity medicine. The key to longevity is information science. The future of longevity won't depend on just one solution. Not only new drugs, not only repurposed ones. Real progress comes from building a system that puts the health of the individual first. Information science gives us the tools to create a universal molecular sensor today, one that can measure, adapt, and guide therapies in real time. This technology can lower costs, increase access, and shorten the entire discovery cycle. Pharma breakthroughs, nutritional therapies, gene controllers, and more all stand to benefit from this kind of system. With it, what looked like failure becomes progress, and longevity moves from promise to practice.